how to create an autoresponder in GetResponse. So first, go to GetResponse website and then just click on Create Autoresponder under Quick Actions here. Next is you can either do it by yourself or with an AI. So as for me, I'll just use by myself. Click on it. Then of course, you need to type in your title of your autoresponder. So I'll just type in autoresponder 1, and then as for the autoresponder settings, when do you want this message to go out? So I'll just type in 1. Okay, and then I want it to go out at the same time as the sign up time. So let's say you don't want that, you can also choose the other options here as well. And then allow the message to be sent on which days you want it to be sent on. You can also select all of them for a week. And then after that, you can just customize the from and reply to email address here. And then of course the subject line, type in your subject line, and then you can also use the AI subject line generator here if you want. And then to design your content, you can just click on design message here, and then after that just click on save and publish. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.